Riddle me this. Why is it that some people are able to lose a whole bunch of weight and keep it off, yet you continue to struggle maintaining the 10 pounds you just lost? In this video, I'm going to introduce you to an elite group of men and women who are just like you, who have cracked the code to successful long-term weight maintenance, and share their secrets with you so that you too can lose a whole bunch of weight and keep it off for good. And if you stay until the end of this video, I will share with you 13 strategies, or rather actions, that successful long-term weight maintainees do not do to keep the weight off for good. To get even more weight maintenance secrets and strategies, the same ones I've used to help thousands of men and women just like you keep the weight off for good, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you're notified when I release a brand new video every single Tuesday. Of the millions of men and women just like you who diet each year, more than 85% will regain the weight they lost within 12 months. Within 3 years, that number skyrockets to 95%. And in fact, after 3 years, 33 to 50% of those who lost weight have gained it back and then some. And they weigh even more than they did before they started their original diet. But as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, there exists a small minority of men and women just like you, a mere 5% of the population, who have managed to lose weight and keep it off for good. And I like to refer to these men and women as weight maintenance professionals. But before I share with you the secrets of these weight maintenance professionals, allow me to further introduce you and tell you more about just who these special men and women are. Since the 1970s, there's been an ongoing study that seeks to learn the behaviors, characteristics, and commonalities of men and women who have successfully lost weight and kept it off. And the purpose of this study was to then take this information and use it to provide the best long-term weight maintenance education possible. This study is known as the National Weight Control Registry, and it's an ongoing study to this day that contains tens of thousands of members with ongoing recruitment and absolutely no compensation for being a participant in this study. To be a member of this study, you must have lost at least 30 pounds and kept it off for over 12 months. But what's even more fascinating is that the average member has lost more than 66 pounds and kept it off for over 5 years. And of the tens of thousands of participants in this study, 80% are women and 20% are men. And the average woman is 45 years old, weighing 145 pounds. The average man is 49 years old and weighs 190 pounds. And each year, participants must complete a detailed set of questionnaires and behavioral analysis questions so that researchers can continue to learn what it is this special group of men and women are doing to continue maintaining such significant weight loss. 77% of the tens of thousands of people in the National Weight Control Registry study reported losing weight and changing their behaviors to keep the weight off for good as a result of a single triggering event in their lives. And that has me wondering, what specific moment in your life has you watching this video in this moment? Let me know by leaving a comment in the section right below this video. 55% of participants report losing weight with the help of a coach or program, whereas 45% of participants reported losing the weight on their own, though almost all of them mentioned using a combination of free and paid resources to help them accomplish their goal. Nearly all participants, in fact 98%, reported significantly modifying their food intake to lose weight, and 94% of participants reported starting an exercise program of some sort to help them lose weight. And funny enough, the most commonly reported form of exercise amongst the tens of thousands of participants was just walking. Losing weight and keeping it off may seem like a daunting task, but as you can see, tens of thousands of men and women just like you have been able to do so successfully by making a few key changes to their mindset and behaviors. Now that you see how realistic successful weight maintenance can be, it's time to adequately prepare you to meet these goals by having the support and resources you need. I've written an absolutely free and valuable book entitled 13 Things Successful weight maintainees do not do. And I'd like to encourage you to get your hands on this book absolutely free today by clicking the link on the top of your screen or found below this video. And if you grab this book today, I'll also include my book, Become a 5%er, which details the 4 most impactful habits of each member of the National Weight Control Registry that has had the biggest return on their investment when it comes to losing weight and keeping it off for good. And you can get your hands on both of these free goodies by clicking the link on your screen or the one right below this video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, make sure you share it with a friend, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and give this video a big thumbs up, as this will help me know to continue making videos just like this. Are you finally ready to make long-term weight maintenance a reality rather than a dream? Comment with a capital YES directly below this video to let me know and to jumpstart your journey of long-term weight maintenance. Thank you again for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then I'm confident you'll enjoy one of my recent, most popular videos entitled How to Keep the Weight Off After Yo-Yo Dieting. 3 strategies to implement today that are much easier than you think. Have a wonderful rest of your day and happy watching.